Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, I made a watercolor type image the other day and by Adobe Fresco. This time I will try to make something different illustration type image maybe. I don't know, by this Procreate. Now I have this image, base image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image, which is pretty cool. I like this pencil drawing type image rather than this base image. Well, so I'm gonna try to make something more impressive on this base image. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna duplicate this layer first, then I'm gonna keep this base image, turn it off to keep it, then I'm gonna work on this image with evolve as always these days. Okay, even though I smudged this silverware details, since I have nice pencil drawing type image already, so it's not gonna break everything down. It's gonna show up pretty nice, I think. I'm gonna add layers to add some colors like highlight and also reflections of this. Okay, pretty much done for smudging. Get pretty nice texture all over the image. Oh well, we have this reflection on the plastic wraps. Yeah, these reflections makes interesting effect. Nice textures on the plastic wraps. This wave. Okay, I have so much texture and reflections. Now I'm gonna add layer, then I'm gonna add some colors. Now I'm gonna change brush to airbrushing group to soft brush. I'm gonna change, its blend mode is normal now, so just leave it this way and let's see, touch orange-ish. I think I'm gonna emphasize or pick some this saturated color, then now everywhere, somewhere has some colors on. Let's see, I just painted here. Well, and also I see the blue colors on this wrap. Some colors on here too. Okay, now let's see, change blend mode, normal to color, hard mix. This is pretty nice too. Yeah, pin light is pretty good too. Pin light is pretty close, but let's see. Well, just leave it pin light now, and I'm gonna continue to add some colors on this same brush, then a little bit close up, like, well, let's go with this more saturated. Now let me see, turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode. The light is good too. shows this plate really shiny. Pretty interesting. And now how to divide these areas. Nice white lines, outlines, just like different, the opposite way. Dark lines, outlines. So make it dark lines for outlines, or the other side, change to divide, makes outlines white. Wow, either way that's pretty cool. Now what am I gonna, someplace I want white lines over this pill, but someplace, well, let's see, that's so interesting. This is cool too. Wow, luminosity 60%. Gonna make different groups of the image, maybe 3 different images combined together to get something impressive image. Now first one is, let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna just change name, smudged image, base image, then this is paint color layer, then pencil drawing type image, line image, color layer, smudged image, and base image. Now first of all, base image, then luminosity 40%. Okay, base and luminosity and color, no smudge. This is the one group. Then I'm going to duplicate this line image, move up, then smudged image, line image, and also color. I'm going to duplicate color layer and also bring this one up. Now I'm going to turn it off, this group. First group, this one is straight base image and color layer and pencil drawing type line image, which is luminosity blend. Okay, turn it off. Now we got wait a minute, this one. Now we are looking at smudged base, smudged image, then add color layer, then line image. I'm going to change the blend mode to, well, just a linear burn now. Okay, just clean up. Well, straight base image and color pin light max, then luminosity 40%, which is first group. Then second one is smudge base image, add pin light color max, same. Then linear burn image. This is the second group. Okay, that's confusing. Clean up. Okay, we have two different groups, smudged, color, line. This is second group. This is the second image. This is the first one. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is first group, luminosity group. Well, let me change this group name. Okay, base image, color layer, pin light, blend mode, then line image, luminosity 40. Okay, now second one, this group, smudged image, color layer, pin light, same, linear burn, max. We have two groups now, right? Now I'm gonna make this luminosity group. I'm going to duplicate, then flatten. This is luminosity group, so I'm going to rename luminosity 40 group image, right? I'm going to turn this one base image off. I'm looking at only luminosity 40 group layer, just one image. Okay, I'm going to duplicate, then two of them. I'm going to change one of them blend mode to multiply, which is darker. Color burn, that's cool too. Let me see. Okay, I guess I found interesting image. Well, I just found pretty interesting image. I got the luminosity 40 group, then I make duplicate, then change color burn, one of them, color burn max, then see this image. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna keep this just for one. I just keep the image already. This is so impressive. Contrast and everything like that, colors and stuff. So now I want to change something different from here. Now I just turn this one down to 50. Then I'm gonna change, let's see, the other blend mode. This is overlay, right? Okay, I'm gonna move this layer, go up to one more group. This group is smudge the image base and color layer, pin light, max, then pencil drawing type line image, linear burn, max. Okay, this is the group. Now I'm going to turn it on. Luminosity 40 group, change the blend mode to overlay, max. Over this, smudge the image color group, change this much contrast to get more different impression. I can turn down to 70%, 60%, just give it a contrast. And also we see this pencil drawing type image, nice contrast. Go 50, a little bit more white to be more white. Okay, now I'm gonna make top, add layer, then I'm gonna paint with evolve, drawing to evolve, then choose white. Yeah, about this much. Well, I guess that's it. I made two variations from this image. I just add frame on the outside and luminosity 40 group to make one image, one layer, get contrast effect. But the other one is smudged base image to add color layer, pin light effect, then pencil drawing type line image, color burn, 50%. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it for today, and we got some different image, well, by coloring it, maybe almost, and also the contrast and stuff. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.